Meet Your Match is an interactive activity that helps students review key terms and definitions before a test or assessment. It can also be used to gauge learners' prior knowledge at the start of a new unit. Follow these steps to run a Meet Your Match exercise. Step 1. Prepare a set of cards, half with the terms being reviewed and the other half with the definitions. Have only one pair per term. First, divide the class in half. Give one half the term cards and the other half the definition cards. Each student should have one card. Step 3. Have the students move around the room to find the match for their card. Once they've found their match, ask them to stand together. Step 4. When everyone is paired, ask the learners to read the terms and definitions aloud. Meet Your Match is low risk, fun, and get students moving. It's an engaging way to review content through discussion. The only challenge is that it can take a little extra class time, but it's a nice way to break up lecture content. To make Meet Your Match accessible for all learners, keep these tips in mind. Use large, legible fonts for prompts and questions. Offer to read cards aloud if students would like confirmation of their words. Ensure there's enough space for students to move around freely. Remove barriers for those who may move differently. Share how much time the activity will take and give timing updates. Check in to confirm most students have found their match before moving on. For students with hearing loss, activities with many conversations happening at once can be a barrier. Encourage students to hold cards outward for easier visibility. Meet Your Match is an engaging way to review key terms, check prior knowledge, and encourage collaboration, all in an interactive break from lecture content. Visit the CTL if you would like any help implementing active learning strategies.